Hi everyone, this video is brought to you by Revive and I'm here to give you an honest review and tutorial on those amazing products. Let's go! So this is my hair before. A little bit dry, a little bit brittle, it could be a little stronger. Let's wet my hair, let's see what happens. Right, so obviously my hair is wet and we're going to do step 1 of Revive, the cleanser shampoo. Shampooing nettoyant for stronger, healthier hair. Amazing. You could just use your hands, but I'm going to use my little scalp brush that I got from Daiso. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. It's like full on scalp therapy. It's like a massage. It feels nice and tingly and fresh. Love, love, love. I love to give myself a little head scratch. Ooh, this feels so good. You don't have to use this, but for extra tingles, it's not a bad idea. So it kind of just helps to massage. It feels good for all that tension. Feels so good. And you just lather for about 60 seconds. Basically how you normally would. You feel all the tingles. It's almost like if you've ever used Burt's Bees, that cooling feeling. It's like that, but all over your scalp. It just feels amazing. All right. Let's rinse. Juniper! What are you doing, girl? As long as I'm here. Step 2. Hydrant et revitalisante. For stronger. Juniper! This is my video! There's a secret step. Kiss the baby. Oh, you're gorgeous. Showstopper. It doesn't smell like peppermint, but I love the smell of her head. With ordinary conditioner, I don't put it on my scalp just because of it being greasy, but this is something that you want to put on your scalp because it's going to be invigorating all the hair follicles and promote hair growth and all sorts of those yummy feelings when it comes to taking care of your hair and your head. Juniper, what are you doing, gorgeous? And I might zhuzh through my little scalp thing again just to kind of get all that circulation going. It's really nice because turns out this product helps people get like 3 times stronger hair. 75% of people have reported healthier, stronger, shiny hair, all sorts of stuff like that. I'm one of those people. This feels so good. This is heaven for me. Been out 3 minutes and I am going to rinse this out. All right, so now for my favorite step, even though the first 2 are amazing, is step 3. This is the micro treatment and you just kind of do a little that's kind of like the Visco girl into your scalp, right where the hairs come out of. So I do a little and get those guys going. I'm rooting for you. I'm rooting for your hairs. And oh my gosh, it feels so, it's like an Altoid exploded on my head. So it's honestly so refreshing. I love to do this after a long day. I'm someone who takes showers at night just because I love washing off the day and keeping my sheets clean. And there's just something about getting into bed with fresh, clean self, minty hair. It just feels so good and this feeling lasts a while. So I'm gonna let it air dry just a little bit before I blow dry it, just to let it really settle in. Sometimes I'll wrap the towel around my head to just lock in that feeling. Wardrobe change, we got the gray towel. All right, be right back, guys. Hold on, pause. I used to, when I was in high school, and maybe not that long ago, I would use the hairdryer and pretend I was in a music video, like. Okay, so that's like the basics of it. It feels amazing, it feels strong, it feels minty. I feel refreshed, my face is red from the hot hair dryer. My hair is flowing and shiny. Let's get another slow-mo. All right, so that's that. yeah, it'll look even shinier if I run a straightener through it, but I just wanted to show you honest and immediate results. Thank you, Revive, so much. Easy as 1, 2, 3. When your hair isn't giving you good vibes, don't worry about it, just use Revive. Thank you, Revive. Mwah.